All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself. Shout out to the Pepe community for showing tremendous amount of love. Cannot thank you guys enough. But yeah, let's get right in today's update to really understand what's happening with Pepe right now and of course what is yet to come. So, today was a very exciting day for Pepe along with the broader market. And Bitcoin is on the verge of breaking towards $100,000. We actually retested Bitcoin at $99,000 just a few hours ago. Again, exactly as we projected, that level of 100K is a psychological price point. You're really going to see that play as a major level of resistance. And if we're able to break out of that zone, guys, things can get really exciting. But nonetheless, we're seeing a very good day for the broader altcoin market, and Pepe is up 9% right now. Looking at the price, 2066, so making its way back above the 20 zone. So 2066 is the current price, up 8.6% in USD, also 4.2% in Bitcoin. Comparative, seeing a little bit of a lag in Ethereum. Market cap is at about 8.7 billion almost, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $7 billion. But, let's take a closer look at it. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the holder count, 322,070 holders. There we are, guys. You are seeing the holder count increasing day in, day out. We've been talking about this, and this has not just been the case recently. The holder count has been increasing over the course of the last 12 months. So, pretty much in this upwards trend, new holders coming in and accumulating, Pepe into their wallets, especially, the ETH wallets, such as, of course, MetaMask or any other ETH wallets. And that just tells you it's growing, and the number is growing at a nice rate. But if you're looking at the broader meme coin market right now, you are actually seeing some of the markets, still in red. Some coins, only some, but some coins are up double digits right now. We have heard some bullish news. Gary Gensler is leaving. Yes, guys, you've heard that correct. Gary Gensler is no longer going to be the chairman of the SEC. A huge milestone for the crypto space. The crypto space reacted to that specific news as well. But you're looking at Pepe in terms of the top 10 coins right now. Pepe is the top gainer right in front of us, currently up 9%, guys. Yes, you can't make this up, but let's take a closer look at it. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, I spoke about the Bitcoin dominance yesterday. Let's kind of get rid of this. So, Bitcoin dominance obviously went all the way up to almost 62%. Obviously, on the daily time frame, you can't really see the exact number, but we almost went to 62%. But today, we actually saw the dominance going down, and guess what happened reverse? Bitcoin actually went up with it. So, when dominance went down, Bitcoin went up. Guess what's going to happen with the altcoins? Altcoins are going to outpace, and they're going to outpace Bitcoin, and that is exactly what you're looking at happening today. And this is just a continuous reminder to everyone to, have patience. If you have done your due diligence and research and have invested what you can afford to lose, your eyes shouldn't be on the charts 24/7, and you shouldn't be losing sleep, because if you're losing sleep because of excitement, that's understandable. But if you're losing sleep because of the fact that you're over invested, you're the one to blame. You are the one to blame, and this is where your due diligence research comes into play. And exactly what we spoke about over the course of the last two specific updates for Pepe actually ended up becoming a reality. But we're going to get into the Pepe price, but I want you guys to really understand what Bitcoin was able to do. Bitcoin reached $99,000, so just today alone. So pretty much this week, since the week started, we've been hitting all-time high after all-time high, exactly how we projected. A nice gradual increase towards the six-figure price point, and today alone, Bitcoin is up 6.27%, which again is not a small move by any means. But if you're looking at our good old friend Pepe, what a beautiful bounce, and it is on the verge of heading towards some levels we are anticipating. So we came down to the 1842 zone, still did not end up retesting the likes of the 1710 support, major support, which of course was the previous all-time high. But if I want you guys to actually hold on, let's go on to the hourly time frame because you see it better there. So look at it on the hourly time frame, how beautiful the sideways momentum there really was, as I indicated to you guys before. And if you somehow dollar cost average in yesterday alone, and we're not talking even yesterday, just a few hours ago, not even 24 hours ago, at the 1850 zone, you are up right now about 14% for Pepe. And your Pepe has some key resistance around the 2145 zone. That is able to clear out. I think Pepe could be making its way up to the 2344 zone and then off to all-time highs. So I think Pepe moves very fast if Bitcoin dominance continues to fall and Bitcoin continues to retest the $100,000 price point. I think Bitcoin will have multiple different retests, unless, of course, we heard some mega bullish news. Of course, the Gary Gensler leaving is already a big news, but I think this is a major bulls and bear battle that we're going to see. But if Bitcoin is able to knock out of that price point for good, I think this can really push the price of Pepe towards new all-time highs, and this is going to leave a lot of people that were fudding over the course of the past few days kind of speechless. And that's what you need to know. You cannot be forgetting the big moves, guys. And I've always said that. I understand from the new people's perspectives, but you kind of want to learn how this market works, right? If you're looking at it from November 4th, like, yes, I repeat, November 4th, Pepe went up 211%, and that is a big move for one of the biggest meme coins in the crypto space. And obviously, since then, we did see a little bit of a pullback, and after a 211% move, it's only normal to see a retracement, and we saw a retracement of about 30%, and since then, the market has picked up about 15%. And like I said, things can heat up really fast for Pepe, but keep your eyes out on the Bitcoin Dominance Index and really see what's happening. And the momentum itself just shows you yet again how much interest Pepe really has. We've been speaking about the word interest for quite some time, and yet again, you're getting that confirmation out here. You're looking at about a 6.8 billion in 24-hour trading volume, and look at Shiba Inu, only about 1.4 billion. So I stand with my overall take. I do believe the time is coming very near where you do see Shiba Inu's spot getting taken over, and if the price of Pepe is able to pop out into an all-time high, I think the next all-time high, the next price discovery mode, Pepe is going to take over that Shiba Inu spot. I'm very, very confident about that. But yeah, you're seeing Bonk doing quite well as well. As far as the Bitcoins are going, Mog is picking up some traction right now. And I know there's a lot of people talking about these meme coins that are AI narrative, which again kind of makes sense. But at the end of the day, I don't really look at any, unless if you want me to look at some. Let me know in the comments. I know Go is one of them that went to the likes of some crazy market valuations, and you created a big millionaire. So could that start the narrative? Maybe. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are some meme coins under your radar? And a lot of people are staying with my overall take. And again, my overall take does not necessarily mean that's going to happen. But historically speaking, what I mean by that is in the last 12 months, what we've been talking about, Pepe has been able to achieve. Pepe is sitting at hit a $10 billion market cap, and we've been covering Pepe below $1 billion market valuation. Below even a $500 million market valuation. It's come a long, long way, made some people a significant amount of gains. So it just depends where your entry is, right? But, have your exit strategies obviously set in place. I think the next year is going to be very exciting. Still, I personally project we're going to see a big shakeout, sometime next year to shake out the weak hands. But, so far, so good. Loving what I'm seeing. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.